Hi kids! Today we will learn about the verbs we use for continuous actions. So let's start. We know action words are called verbs, like run, play, eat, dance, walk, read, sit, open, shut. We use different forms of verbs according to different types of tenses. Different forms of verbs are used for present tense, past tense, future tense, and continuous tense. Here are some verbs used for present tense. My mom cooks food for me. I like the food that my mom cooks. My brother does not eat vegetables. I have many friends. They come to play with me every day. Here, the verbs are used for present tense. My mom baked a pizza for me yesterday. I like the pizza baked by my mom. I and my brother ate the pizza. Two of my friends also came yesterday. They also enjoyed the pizza with us. Here, all the circled verbs show past tense. My mom will bake pizzas for me tomorrow. I will invite my friends for a pizza party. We will dance, play, and eat pizzas. I will organize games to be played and will also give prizes to the winners. Here, all the verbs express future tense. Now we will learn about some verbs for continuous tenses. Now, for continuous tense, what we do is we put ing after the verb. Let's learn with examples. She is dancing on the stage. Here, dancing shows a continuous action. That is, she is still dancing. He is making his school project. Here, making shows continuous action. That is, the project is still being made. It is not complete yet. He is writing on the blackboard. Here, writing shows continuous action. I am enjoying the cruise trip. Here, enjoying shows continuous action. That is, the action is being done. The girl is thinking. Thinking shows continuous action. That is, the action that is being done. Let's see some more verbs that show continuous actions. I am enjoying my best friend's birthday party. I am wearing my favorite blue t-shirt. The birthday boy is also wearing a blue t-shirt. Everyone is wearing colorful hats. We all are dancing, singing, playing, and having a great time. A clown is making us laugh by doing very funny acts. I am enjoying the party. So here, enjoying, wearing, dancing, singing, doing, making are verbs with ing and are depicting the continuity of actions being performed. Now, let's do an activity. Here are some sentences with blanks. And we have to fill appropriate verb with ing to complete the sentence. I am dash to school by bus. Baking? No. Reading? No. Going? Yes. Going will suit here. I am going to school by bus. He is dash a book. Baking? No. Eating? No. Reading? Yes. Reading will suit here. He is reading a book. They are dash in the park. Eating? No. Thinking? No. Playing? Yes, they are playing in the park. Are you dash to school today? Reading? No. Playing? No. Going? Yes. Are you going to school today? We are dash a great time in the party. So what should come in the blank? Eating? No. Reading? No. Having? Yes. We are having a great time in the party. Water is dash with great speed. Spending? No. Writing? No. Eating? No. Flowing? Yes. Water is flowing with great speed. So kids, today we learned about verbs that are used for continuous actions. Now you can go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye!
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!